Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a helicopter landing pad. First, selecting the right location is crucial for safety and functionality. You'll need a clear, level area, ideally at least 100 feet by 100 feet, free from any overhead obstructions such as power lines or tall trees. Always consider prevailing wind directions and ensure clear approach and departure paths. Remember to check local regulations and obtain all necessary permits before beginning any construction. Once your site is prepared, it's time to think about materials. Concrete or asphalt are excellent choices for durability and load-bearing capacity. For concrete, a minimum thickness of 6 inches is generally recommended, reinforced with steel rebar to prevent cracking and ensure it can withstand the weight and vibrations of a helicopter. Proper drainage is also essential to prevent water from pooling, which could create hazardous conditions. Effective lighting and clear markings are vital for safe operations, especially at night or in poor visibility. Perimeter lights should clearly define the landing area. A large, contrasting H marking in the center of the pad guides pilots, and the entire surface should be painted with non-slip, high-contrast paint. Don't forget to install a windsock or other wind direction indicator, visible from all approach angles, to provide crucial information to pilots. Maintaining your helipad is just as important as building it. Regular inspections for cracks, debris, or any surface damage are crucial to prevent accidents. Keep the surrounding area clear of loose objects, tall vegetation, and anything that could become a projectile. Always ensure all lighting and navigational aids are in perfect working order. Finally, establish clear emergency procedures and maintain accessible routes for emergency services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.